Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuts by Reggie. Hopefully this ain't crooked. I need to get me like some type of leveler so when I'm looking at it, it can be leveled off, right? Anyway, today we just got a quick unboxing, slight review, but it's clippers that we already know, right? But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube, right? So today we have the all matte black Boost FX from Babyliss, right? Y'all can see that. Boom. We got the clipper and we have the trimmer. So today we're just gonna unbox everything, see what it comes with. I have been using these because they're Babyliss. Shout out to Babyliss because they actually did send these to me. So I appreciate y'all for this. If y'all looking to order this or anything from Babyliss, use my discount code. All right, so today we're gonna start with the clipper. The all matte black clipper from Babyliss is $239, right? $239 for the clipper. Of course, you use the discount code. We got the DLC fade blade, upgraded brushless motor, 6,800 RPM, the click lever, all metal housing, and it comes with 2 hours of runtime, and it got, of course, the hanging hook and all that, right? So this is the machine. We'll get to that in a second. Let's open this up and see what all comes in the package. Did they change anything in the packaging of these clippers? Of course, you got the charging plug. You got the oil, the blade protector, which I don't understand why it's not on the clipper when you send them out, but anyway, and the screwdriver, all right? And then, of course, you got the cleaning brush, clean your clippers and stuff with. You get you another a cam follower in there. And it comes with the guards, but they do just come with the regular Babyliss guards, which with the, I don't know, they still are the FXs, and I don't know if anybody's really looking at the premium guards, but for that price point that they jump up with, maybe they should include the premium guards. These are the clippers. Same clipper, of course. These have the Boost have the grip around it. Of course, the regular FXs just have it's all metal. This is all metal except for the grip here. Of course, still power button. They died because I've been using them. All right. Of course, you got the click lever. I do like that. If y'all can see that all black Boost. I'm glad that they kept it all black, the finish. Of course, you got the bottom all black as well. And I do like that as well because usually, like, if you get the FX, right? If you get a custom FX and you make it all one color, I do like that. I don't like that when you get a custom clipper that they don't do anything with the bottom color. You get what I'm saying? Or the hook. But you got the hook, same color as everything else. Like, this is literally all blacked out. Blade blacked out, everything except, of course, here. Sound, it is dying though, so you got that consideration. But it is pretty much the Boost FX is $239. And of course, if you want to save a couple dollars, use the discount code. Now, we of course have the trimmer that comes along with it, all blacked out. And as far as in here, the charger is over there. Like I said, I have been using it. Then, of course, we get the same package of the blade guard, the zero gapping tool for the trimmer, and then we got the screwdriver, clipper oil. Nice little extra additions in there. Then you got the pamphlet. And then we have the trimmer. Again, all black. Rubber grip, the DLC 2 blade on there. This is a pretty decent blade on here. You do have to set these. These do not come out the box ready to go. I haven't set them yet because I have been using other trimmers. I have been using these for like balding out and stuff like that, getting the job done for now. But to get those sharp lines, you will need to set these. But this DLC 2 blade is a good blade. And it fits because it's all black. It is all black. It's perfect. Sound. What we got here. This also This has 4 hours of runtime, 7,200 RPM. Of course, the exposed blade, the 360 rubber grip, all metal has 4 hours of runtime. But if you put the chameleon blade on here, that's my favorite blade. Well, between the gold blade and the chameleon blade, those are my two blades from Babyliss, right? They have been, so I got the low pro with the chameleon blade, and then I have, of course, the gold FX. Those two have been my go-to trimmers right now, besides my saber that has been getting the job done. But as far as the package, and again, the hanging hook, and this goes back into what I was saying, like, it's like everybody is trying to bring out an all black version of their tool, which I'm not mad at. This is a nice set, nice addition if you love the FX. As far as the clipper is cool, of course, great clipper. I'm not a fan of it just because of the length of it. It cuts great, smooth blend, but of course, y'all know one of my favorite trimmers is the FX. Until the Babyliss came out, the Sabres came out, it's been kind of my go-to. But this is one thing from Babyliss. And sources say they are working on more things for this year. That's my only thing with Babyliss. I love this. I love the all black. I love the different colors. They did bring out the low pro set. At the moment, and maybe they're gearing up for something. Of course, we're getting closer to the CT Expo, which I will be there this year, but we're getting closer to the CT Expo, so maybe they're gearing up for a big release. And like I said, sources say they will be having something coming damn near every month this year. But I do feel like they are focusing on just re-releasing these with a different color, which it's a good thing if they didn't have the FX, the custom site where you can go on there and pretty much customize your own color, right? This is not a problem that they are releasing it, but after a while, it's like, okay, you done brought us out different colors of the gold FX. The FXs. Now you got the boosted. You coming out with different colors of the boost FX, and then you got the low pro FX. Now you're coming out with different color of the low pros, right? Cool. But for people who want that color, they do have a site where you can pretty much make your own color. I don't think they should have to focus on re-releasing the same thing with a different color. But we are gearing up for the CT of this year, 2023. So maybe they got something big coming. That I don't know yet. I don't know what's in the pipeline from Babyliss, but we shall see. But I just wanted to show the new set that they sent me. Shout out to Babyliss. Shout out to Dennis over there. If you are looking to get this, of course, use my discount code Reggie10. Save you some money. If you like them, if you like the FX, you're gonna like them. The clipper, like I said, not my favorite clipper, just because of the length of it. I use it. Gives a nice blend, nice fade. I got a video coming with me using those. But as far as the trimmer, I'm gonna put I got a gold blade on there. I'm gonna put on there. I know the reason of this is not to put their best blade on this, or I won't say their gold, because the best blade is whatever blade you use the most, whatever you like. But I'm gonna put a gold FX blade on here and see what happens. All right. That's the all matte black finishing set from Babyliss. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, dislike the videos. Comment, like, share, subscribe. And yeah, we'll be back. I just wanted to show what they sent me. Hey, we'll be back. Peace.